drawing?
I love you guys.
Oh, that's nice. It does look like it. Okay.
I
Uh-huh.
love
Mm-hmm.
you.
Okay.
Start with the I love you, Daddy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Zinhle Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. AKA's passing left Mzansi concern about his daughter Kairo away to Forbes' well-being. Kairo Forbes is currently in a dark room of trauma, anxiety and fear after what happened to her father. Being the young version of her father, she likes spending time with him, which will never happen again. She likes playing video games, writing him love letters and baking for him. She also enjoy traveling and shopping with her father. Her mother, DJ Zinhle, has been sharing pictures and videos of both Kairo and AKA with no captions or messages of some sort. She has recently shared one of Kairo's videos where she was saying AKA is her boyfriend and where she was writing a love letter to her father. It's so bad, guys. The young lady really loved her daddy. Thinking of what she's going through or what her mind is going through right now, it's really stressing. We continue to send our prayers and love to her and the whole family. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.